Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to configure BGP on FortiGate firewall. This is our topology. Initial configuration already configured. Let's start with R1. Go to R1. Put command router BGP AS number 100. Network is here 192.168.1.0. Then its neighbor is 1.2, neighbor 192.168.1.2, which remote autonomous system number is 100. Then network 172.10.1.0 and its mask 255.255.255.0. Then we need to configure another networks 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, 6 and 7. Done. Do show history. Router BGP 100 network is 192.168.1.0. Then loopback networks and its neighbor is 1.2, which remote AS number is 100. Done. After R1 we need to configure R2. Router BGP, its AS number is also 100. R2. Then yes, its network is 2.0. 2.0. Neighbor is 192.168.2.2, which remote AS number is 100. Then network 172.21.0 and mask 255.255.255.0. 1. Then we have 2. Then we have 3. Then we have here 4. Then we have here 5. Then we have here 6 and last one is here 7. Do show history. Done. Then we need to configure R3. For R3 we will configure here BGP AS number 200, then router BGP 200, network is 3.0, then neighbor is 3.2, which remote AS number is 100, then network 172.30.1.0, then mask 255.255.255.0, 1, then 2, then we have to configure here 3, then we have to configure here next 4, then we have to configure here 5 and next is here 6 and next is here 7. Do show history. Done. Then next device is our R4. We need to go to R4 router BGP AS number. Its AS number is 100. Then network is 4.0, neighbor is 4.2, remote AS number is 100, then network 172.40.1.0, its mask 255.255.255.0, then all other networks 1 to 7, then 2, then we have here 3, then 4, then we have here 5, next is 6 and next one is here 7. Done. Do show history. Then we need to, yes, we have configured here R1, R2, R3, R4. Next is Fortinet admin. Then put command configure router BGP. Configure router BGP set AS number 100. Then config neighbor edit 192.168.1.1, its neighbor is 1.1, 2.1, 3.1 and 4.1. Then config neighbor 1.1, then set remote AS 100, next edit 2.1 remote AS 100, next edit 3.1, 3.1 remote AS is here 200, then next edit 192, 168, 4.1 and its remote AS is 100. Done. 1.1, 100, 2.1, 100, 4.1, 100, 3.1, 200. 1.1, 100, 2.1, 100, 3.1, 200 and 4.1, 100. Then here neck and config network config network edit 1. Then we have here 4 networks 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0. Then here we need to set prefix 190 to 168.1.0/20 for next edit to then prefix is here 2.0 next edit 3 and its prefix is here 3.0 next edit 4 which prefix is here 4.0 then end show router BGP. Yes, we have configured here neighbor 1.1, 2.1, 3.1, 4.1 and networks are in front of you 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, network 1.1, 2.1, 3.1 and 4.1. Okay. Then yes, this was our lab that how to configure BGP. Commands are in front of you. Go to router BGP, set AS, config neighbors, define neighbors with AS number, config networks. Done. Thank you.